former Minister of State for Finance, in my presence, in the presence of Governor Uduaga, in the presence of the Deputy Governor of Rivers State, and I think the presence of Governor Yuguda of Bauchi State, told NNPC pointedly, you are manipulating your record with regards to your claims on subsidy. And he has an NNPC management, including the group MD. I mean, how could you claim these numbers when the major marketers, all of them put together, what we have paid them in subsidy is X. Your share of import is Y. It's much, much less than what the others are importing. So how could you claim more subsidy, that is far in excess of what every other person is collecting? And I remember him vividly saying that NNPC owed the Federation account over 2 trillion naira. NNPC had all kinds of wishy-washy explanations, as if we were running an accounting system the way my grandmother would manage the villagers' Esusu collection. I felt a bit embarrassed, that we can't handle serious corporate matters, dealing with the heart of the economy. How we were in that meeting from morning till about 9 p.m. And the NNPC said, okay, they will scrap around to see if they could raise 75 billion. The Ministry of Finance will try to look for 20 billion. For me, the whole thing was trivialized. Because my understanding, my assumption, in a country with professional bodies like ICANN, we celebrate our this is the only country where everybody wants to be called, I'm engineer this, I'm chief accountant this. And yet we can't have books that people can see through, that make sense. We produce how many barrels per day? Countries like Saudi Arabia that are producing 5 million barrels, 10 million barrels a day, they do account for their products. So I think there are serious issues which NNPC do need to speak to.